So now I think there is no choice, because if you have to deliver with agility, you have to embrace agile and DevOps. And earlier, when we talk about DevOps and CI/CD, people always felt that DevOps and CI/CD is all about just doing automated deployment at one click. So now that whole concept of DevOps and CI/CD is sinking in with the customers, and they know that if I don't automate end to end, right from requirements all the way till you put into production, if I don't bring in the tools that can orchestrate throughout the entire delivery life cycle, I think that whole agility will not be achieved. If I don't have the agility, definitely will not be able to deliver faster, because now the whole of the spend is happening in three areas. If I speak about retail and consumer goods industry, one is customer experience transformation, the other one is in the supply chain transformation, and then there is the data and analytics part of it. So each one of these are going through huge transformation, especially moving towards platform-based delivery, and power of cloud is being leveraged. And if people don't do all of this, I think they will be left out, and then the competition will kick in. And we already see likes of Amazon, or it could be Walmart, spending heavily on digital, because most of the spend now is online. So people are moving from stores to online, and even within online, their buying patterns are changing. So what that means is that huge amount of e-commerce transformation is required, personalization is required. So that means you have to spend more in terms of digital marketing, whether it is AEM or Salesforce Marketing Cloud, or any one of that. So while delivery and the transformation is important to bring in agility, as my previous panelist said, agile DevOps, if you don't embrace it, I think you will be lost. And then I think automation is the way to go. Earlier automation, when we talk about, is limited to bits and pieces, where let's assume somebody does test automation of functional testing and then leave it with it. So now automation has to be looked right from requirements all the way to, I mean, you're actually shifting left, right? Every aspect is being shifted left, especially in terms of project to product IT model. You have to have shift left in your thought process. Make sure that you automate every piece of it, whether it is testing, whether you move towards the left and do an API testing, or it could be any of that, right? And then integrating with your pipeline, so that as soon as the build is done, you automatically execute your test scripts and all of that.